Hey guys, I'm back here with another video. I think it's been 7 years I've made a video, but I'm back. I'll be another Pokemon video, Pokemon pack. So, let's do it. Oh, this is my cat. Taco, sweetheart. Do you want to say hi? Do you want to say hi? Oh, this is my cat. He's named Taco. And yeah. Now let's open the video. Now let's open this pack. There we go. And I got the news back. Taco, what are you doing? What are you doing? Well, my Taco, apparently my cat wants to be part of the video. But let's open the video. Let's open this pack. Taco. Stay right there. Oh, he's so... Okay, now let's open this pack. Okay, that means if you want to see this, you can pause the video. Hold it for a few seconds. Okay, and you can pause the video, see it. And 1, 2, 3, and now let's go check this. Okay, Charbug. Okay, Chip Ice Axe. Salmon Oak. It's pretty much Professor Oak. Rattata. Goldeen. Diglett. Slowbro. Litten. Oddish. And a cat. And this. Sadly, we didn't get anything from the pack. But that's okay. Well, guys, I hope you have a good day, and I'll see you later. Bye.